Have you ever wondered how some people manage to save significantly more money than others, even on similar incomes? Welcome to The Saving Secret: How to Keep More of Your Money, where we unravel the mysteries of effective saving. In this journey with Money Magnified, we'll explore proven strategies and practical tips to help you master the art of saving. From understanding your spending habits to creating additional income streams, get ready to transform your financial habits and magnify your savings. The art of saving, more than just putting money aside. Saving is indeed an art that transcends the mere act of stashing away a portion of your earnings. It is a multifaceted endeavor that necessitates astute financial strategizing, a profound grasp of your expenditures, and the ability to harness the potential of your money. Effective saving requires the delicate equilibrium between satisfying your current necessities and nurturing your long-term financial aspirations. It's not merely about accumulating funds. It's about making those funds labor on your behalf. By cultivating this art, you can fortify your financial stability and fortify your path towards a secure and prosperous future, where your money becomes a potent tool in shaping your desired reality. Decoding your spending, the first step to saving. One of the fundamental steps towards saving more money is gaining a comprehensive understanding of your spending habits. To achieve this, it's crucial to diligently track your daily expenses over the course of a month. Categorize each expenditure meticulously, separating them into essential and non-essential categories. This exercise will illuminate the areas where you can potentially cut back on your spending. Often, it's the seemingly insignificant and habitual expenses that accumulate over time, ultimately impacting your overall financial well-being. By identifying these areas and making conscious adjustments, you can take control of your finances and work towards achieving your savings goals. Crafting a budget that works for you. A budget serves as a crucial financial blueprint, empowering individuals to navigate their monetary affairs with precision. This strategic tool should epitomize realism and adaptability, finely tuned to one's income, outlays, and aspirations. Crafting a thoughtful budget acts as a compass guiding the way towards financial prosperity. By meticulously allocating resources and monitoring expenditures, it enables individuals to save, invest, and work towards their long-term financial objectives. In essence, a well-structured budget isn't just a mere financial plan, it's the key to unlocking a future marked by fiscal security and success, paving the path to financial well-being. Harnessing technology for smarter budgeting. Leveraging technology to streamline budgeting has become increasingly accessible and efficient. With the multitude of apps and online tools available, individuals can effortlessly monitor their spending, establish budgetary limits, and receive timely alerts. These digital solutions provide a user-friendly interface to input and categorize expenses, automatically sync with bank accounts to update financial data in real time, and even offer data visualization to easily identify spending patterns. Additionally, they enable users to set goals, track progress, and make informed financial decisions. Overall, integrating technology into budget management not only simplifies the process, but also empowers individuals to maintain better control over their finances and work towards achieving their financial goals. The magic of compound interest. Compound interest is undeniably one of the most formidable tools for financial growth. When you invest your savings wisely, you unlock the potential to earn interest not just on your initial capital, but also on the interest that accrues over time. This compounding effect has a magical way of exponentially increasing your wealth in the long term. As your money continues to grow, so does the interest it generates, creating a snowball effect that accelerates your savings journey. Whether you're saving for retirement, a major purchase, or just building a financial safety net, harnessing the power of compound interest can make a world of difference. The earlier you start, the greater the impact, making it a crucial strategy for achieving your financial goals. Small changes, big savings, everyday tips. Making small daily changes in your lifestyle can have a substantial impact on your financial well-being over time. By choosing to prepare meals at home instead of dining out frequently, you not only save money, but also have more control over your food expenses. Opting for public transport or carpooling instead of driving alone can significantly reduce your monthly fuel and maintenance costs. Moreover, evaluating and cutting back on unnecessary subscriptions or memberships can free up additional funds. These seemingly minor adjustments may not produce immediate results, but over weeks and months, they accumulate into significant savings. It's all about being mindful of your choices and prioritizing financial stability for a brighter financial future. Quality of life versus saving. Finding the balance. Saving money doesn't have to equate to sacrificing your quality of life. Instead, it's a matter of being discerning and putting your financial objectives first. By making thoughtful spending choices and prioritizing your expenditures, you can relish life's pleasures without jeopardizing your financial well-being. Whether it's dining out with friends, planning a vacation, or pursuing hobbies, a balanced approach allows you to savor life's moments while staying on track with your savings goals. Creating additional income streams. Diversifying your income through side hustles or passive income sources is a smart financial strategy that can significantly boost your savings. One option is to explore freelance work in your spare time, leveraging your skills and expertise to earn extra income. Additionally, investing in stocks can provide a source of passive income as your investments grow over time, potentially generating dividends and capital gains. Another avenue to consider is renting out a property if you have one, as it can create a steady stream of rental income. By adding these income streams to your portfolio, you not only accelerate your saving efforts, but also create a financial safety net that can provide stability and security for your future financial goals. Upgrading your skills for better earnings. Investing in your education and skills can be a transformative journey that paves the way for enhanced earning opportunities. Whether you choose to pursue a professional course, master a new language, or acquire technical skills, each step you take towards self-improvement can unlock a world of potential. In today's competitive job market and ever-evolving business landscape, employers highly value individuals who continuously enhance their capabilities. These investments in yourself not only broaden your horizons, but also position you for higher-paying jobs and entrepreneurial ventures. Moreover, the process of learning and growth itself can be immensely fulfilling, leading to personal and professional satisfaction. So, seize the opportunity to invest in your education and skills. Navigating financial traps. Debt and impulse spending. Maintaining a strong financial foundation requires vigilant caution against falling into the clutches of debt traps and succumbing to impulse spending. It's imperative to steer clear of high-interest debts that can quickly erode your hard-earned savings. Before making any non-essential purchases, take a moment to reflect on their necessity and long-term impact on your financial well-being. Practicing financial discipline is the linchpin of cultivating a healthy saving habit. By carefully budgeting, prioritizing needs over wants, and setting aside a portion of your income for savings. The journey of financial empowerment. Saving is a crucial journey towards achieving financial empowerment. It grants individuals a sense of control over their finances, offering not only peace of mind, but also the invaluable freedom to make choices in harmony with their life aspirations. By staying committed to saving and evolving your financial approach, you empower yourself to pursue your dreams and aspirations without financial constraints. We hope these insights have empowered you to take control of your finances and unlock the secret to saving more. Remember, every small step counts in your journey to financial freedom. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Money Magnified for more financial wisdom.